Here we are, people. With the big old 6'7".
Oh, God. Oh, no.
I had to sneak that in there, but that's going to be the only one of the video. But like y'all heard Nick say, we're leveling this thing. What is it, 3 inches?
3 inches.
Yeah, 3 inches.
Either 3 or 2.5. We'll find out.
With this pretty Powerstroke. Look at this paint, man. I can't get over this. It almost looks like a mega cab. And they got that big ass exhaust tip. We're gonna level this thing. I forgot my phone stand, so I'll record as much as I can. My tripod.
Ask questions later.
Just get it done.
See if we can just level an F-250.
Give me that. That shit is nuts,
Dude, I want to
man.
get a bigger one.
That shit is nuts. I can't believe that's the one I had in that picture.
I want to either, because this one's really not that big. I either want to get like a bigger one than that, or just like a straight one that's kind of an angle that's just huge, just like kind of dumping straight on the
Oh, yeah, I see what you're saying. You don't like axle dumps? Where they face the ground? Give myself.
It just makes it so loud.
Yeah.
In the cab, like this one's still loud in the cab, but it's manageable. If I did it where it's just bouncing off the ground, dude, this thing would be so fucking loud. We'll go rip it later.
Okay. Let's get this thing done.
It gets pretty fucking obnoxious. Let me get some sockets.
All right, just a little update for you guys and gals. We've removed, what is this, some sway bar in there. The bolt to the lower, or the lower bolt to the strut. And now we're relocating the jack stands on either side. And he's taking off that wheel. He wants to alleviate pressure on this whole front suspension setup to see if we can get this to drop. I swear I think it's this, Nick.
Well, as in both videos, nobody took anything else off.
Big strong man. Why do you have to go to the gym when you got this to work on?
Yeah, I know, right? When I pulled the rear blocks, no, that shit whipped my ass.
I believe it.
The spring is looser.
It's looser.
Oh, that bitch ain't going nowhere. All right, well, let's see if that shit worked.
Well, that spring looks like she's ready to dangle. Yes, that spring is dangling. You're a smart man. Ah! Smart man.
Yeah, you can't outsmart me, Ford. Fuck you.
Right now, Nick is throwing on some shock extenders.
Also, my hardware over here. So,
This isn't too terrible considering how massively large this truck is.
yeah, I guess you got a little bend to it, but it's okay.
Is that a bad thing?
They ended up just bending anyways.
We fuck up.
Just to be like, okay, let's back it up a little bit. God, I hate when they do some stupid shit like this, bro. Like, why? There's no good way to get in here.
So you can take it to the dealership.
Oh my God.
Give him $3,600.
Like, dude, this is fucking nuts. What kind of stupid shit?
If you guys been wondering where I've been on YouTube, I've been hand building a 6.0 currently.
Shit.
It was a secret until now. But And Nick's been wrenching away for the last 3 hours just for the strut. All right, guys. So unfortunately, we had to abort mission. The bolt that holds this, I guess, spring helper, or the placement for the lower portion of the spring, it didn't want to thread into the bottom with that 3-inch in there, nor the 2-inch. So as opposed to stripping it and, like you said, potentially have it drive incorrectly and have to get a new U-joint, we're just going to put the stock back in, and he'll just go back and order pucks, potentially order pucks for up top. Ridiculous. Nothing this big should be moving that fast. What the fuck? Oh my god, I never get tired of driving nothing like this.
See, and then like when you just kind of ride it out a little bit.
It's picking up for you guys. This thing sounds marvelous.
You should buy that suction cup mount.
I know.
Down into the bag.
Yeah. I was like, is he sliding on purpose or?
Yeah, I did
oh shit.
Ago.
Okay.
But I slid the whole thing.
Hey, soon you gotta slide that. But that feels fucking crazy, man.
If you get enough power behind it, this thing would just slide around.
It feels like a very fast 65 miles an hour.
Like you're in a train.
Yeah, it's just pulling. This monster. This is how she sits now. Since I last rode in it. He's put exhaust on it, changed the tires, lowered the rear. This thing is nasty, man.